Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about car crash accident lawyer. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search car crash accident lawyer. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website, Providence Car Accident Lawyer. When you click this website, the page will be opened of Providence of Car Accident Attorney. Every day you rally off your car and gets you are where you need to go. A vast majority of people route in Iceland and around of the countries use a car to travel, and in the form of work, our vehicles allow to the speedy and access to for and off locations, and it is easy to see why a car have become such a circular party of delay and life. You are so many unfortunately to share numbers of people and record of the means a car crash occurs are terrify or rates, and but they are things to made roads and driver are uninsured. Auto crash can be absolutely devastating because of the speed and size of vehicle. Crash accident victims are the focused on endure pain and fear of the moment of the crash. Strategy of the many years of the vehicle crash accident and focused on their situation gets to even worse after accident. The face impracticability, high medical bills and the forces take time of work to recover resulting and loss of wages. Injuries continues to the case and extreme physical suffering and emotional disaster. Some car accidents survive are burdened by a lasting disabilities and will negative impact on their quality of life. Also is a circumstance of the pre-shoring compensation on their own near impossible. If you have to are a situation, reach out and the legal team our downtown provinces at our office today. At the law office of the we have believed to you should have to a bear of cost and car accident caused by a someone else. Negligence of carelessness and state of the federal laws provide legal resources for victim. Catch in a crash resulting from their another parties is responsible action. State and federal law provide legal resources for victim catch, and in the crash resulting from another party's irresponsible action. If another party is case of the contribution of the car accident and injured to you might the entitled of a financial compensation. Our skilled team of providence and a car accident attorney can fight to get a damage your deserve form of responsible party. Our car accident lawyer can help you throughout the difficulties associated with recovering form of crash and was not your fault. Call us 401-751-8855 or reach out our online to learn more about the legal options and how to work develop of the attorney-client relationship starting with a free consultation. Car accident lawyer hold dangerous and driver accountable. The death of an injuries case, the motor vehicle crashes and the road of Iceland and around of the country are simply unacceptable. Most of automobile accidents are preventable with the responsible, diligent and focused driving. By doing away with a reckless, dangerous and negligent driving behavior, we can save life and prevent injuries. One of the way accomplish and holding of a irresponsible driver. Insurance companies pay a maximum compensation for their damage and they have two cases. Of course, no amount of the money began to the compensate of the losses, loved and prevented destructions for your health, but making those who have to harm for your face up and does not take a responsibility for their wandering and can be provided the determine of unsafe driving behavior. While helping each cases of financial burden, you are suffering in the wake and serious injuries from the auto accident. Root Iceland personal injuries lawyer now together and way of you have to can data dangerous driving and the type of negligence and they have to result in injuries in other hold and cases accident liable on their victims. If you are a some of your family were are seriously in diet or hold Iceland road in the highway accident caused by a someone else wrongdoing and to negligence driving, with the help of highly experienced legally representation, you may qualify to receive compensations of the both you have to economic damage and they have to losses your quality of life. Holding wrongdoers accountable will not be have to help and your family will you have to make your providence and route Iceland and its road safer to everyone. What is the most common cases of your car accident in provinces? often a car accident caused by a someone poor driving and the hazard of condition on the road.